it's Melissa from Melissa's Creations with another clean and quick card for you in my series. This is card number 18, and I am kind of doing a take on a card that I did a little while ago. This is such a fun card, and it can really stand alone with just those stamps. This is from Mixed Drinks. It is an oldie but a goodie from our annual catalog, and I love how this card looks with all of the drinks on here. I'm really excited to show you how I achieved this clean and quick card. Let's get started. We're starting with a standard Whisper White card base. This is 5.5 by 8.5, scored in the middle at 4 1/4. I'm going to fold it in half and give that a little crease with my bone folder. I've mounted up my sentiment, "Friends don't let friends whine alone," and I am going to stamp that with my archival Stampin' pad in basic black down at the bottom. I'm also going to stamp the wine glass right up here, and I'm leaving a little bit of room between my sentiment and my wine glass so I can draw a shadow in. With Cherry Cobbler, we are going to stamp our liquid, which would be probably some type of a red wine, maybe a Merlot of some sort. We're just going to line that stamp up and stamp it right into our glass. And to create the shadow, I am using one of our amazing blender pens. I have some soft sky ink here that I have squeezed a little bit so that I can make a pool of ink in my lid. Now this pad is super, super juicy, so I'm just going to pick a little bit of that up with my blender pen. And then we're going to start with a fat line at the top of our shading area here. And then we're going to kind of drag it down, kind of like a little triangle shape. I'm going to take a little bit of scratch paper and kind of clean off the ink from my blender pen. And then I'm just going to go back over again and smudge it a little bit more. You really don't want to go over this too many times, or else it might start to peel or pill your paper. It'll start bubbling up a little bit, and we don't want that. And that is it, you guys. That is our clean and quick card for today using the Mixed Drinks stamp set. I really hope that if you have this set, you'll make a card similar to this and send me a picture. I'd love to see what you come up with using the Mixed Drinks stamp set. You can visit my website, melissascreations.com. Click on Shop Now and shop to your heart's content. You can get all the supplies you need to make this card today and more. During celebration, every $50 you spend earns you a free stamp set from the Celebration brochure. You can also follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/mcreations or on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest with the handle @mcreations. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!